Hey guys, how's it going? How to write faster and smarter using Grammarly AI. First of all, go ahead and open up your Grammarly official website. So I'm gonna go ahead to my official website, right? And make sure if you want to download the app, you can download the app and start using Grammarly. Okay, so in my case, I'm gonna go to the Grammarly right here, and basically paste your text, right? Make sure that you paste that text, and make sure to define your tone and intent, right? If you want it to be formal, casual, inspirational, whatever that may be for you, you can just go ahead and click the empty space and click the green pencil at the bottom right, and then you're gonna hit continue, and then you're gonna be able to set the tone for your text, right? If you want it to be formal, neutral, and you're gonna see right here more options. Make it exciting, engaging, informative, make it persuasive, summarize it, or for any mistakes, or make it objective, right? And then you're gonna hit generate text, and you're gonna confirm that you want to insert that kind of text, and as you can see, the final results for here, right? And you can use Grammarly's AI real-time suggestions, right? Grammarly instantly flags grammar, spelling, and pronunciation or punctuation errors. So you can see right here, if I highlighted those texts, you can click improve, and you're gonna hit generate text. And as you can see right here, you can rephrase if you want to, right? And hit insert at the bottom left. And as you can see, they're now correcting the text, right? You can always improve clarity and consciousness. Grammarly AI suggests ways to shorten long or complex sentences without losing meaning. You can just highlight right here, hit the pencil at the bottom right, click continue, and you can shorten it or clean up notes or draft an outline, turn bullet to pose, make it inspirational, and you can hit generate text again and set the tone for your text by clicking insert right here. Okay, so basically you can leverage that tone so you can make it short, make it formal, even fix some mistakes. And you can see right here, click the Grammarly logo, and as you can see, this text is now inspirational and looks confident, right? This is the Grammarly tone detector, right? You can also use the Grammarly's personal dictionary, which you can find inside the app. I'm using the website for the tone because the tone inside the app requires a premium, so I had to go to the official website. But if you want to subscribe to the premium, you're going to be able to find that or locate that tone detector same. You can go ahead right here to your account at the bottom right, back to my point, you're going to see right here, manage dictionary. And you can click the plus button if you want to enter certain words that related to your field niche and you don't want Grammarly to flag it always, right? And after you finish writing and setting the tone for your document, what you're gonna do, you could go ahead and click your document right now. Now let's pretend that you're inside that document and you edited it and everything, right? You can go ahead and click the sharing icon at the top right. You can send it as an email, PDF, or rich text, or plain text, or markdown, MS Word, or HTML page, and then share it with other people. So by using Grammarly's AI tools effectively, you can significantly speed up your writing process while ensuring a high quality, error-free, and polished content. See you in the next one.